All right, so I'm out here today with the Watershed Stewards Program, whose mission is to restore, enhance, and protect native salmon and trout populations. Today we have 66 volunteers out with us here at Elk Meadow Day Use area. Watershed Stewards Program has organized this event with Redwood National and State Parks to fulfill WSP's mission of restoration, enhancement, and protection of salmon and trout habitats. We recruited heavily from Humboldt State University, and we had some people who even found our event through the Redwood National Park site. We're really happy to have these volunteers out here today because it gets people engaged with their public lands, gives them a sense of ownership over the work that they do and over the state of natural wildlands, and also allows them to learn a bit more about the history of the area. This site was actually a logging mill only 20 years ago and is now a recreation area for park goers and also a wild area. Just this morning when we got here, the whole parking lot was full of elk. Luckily they moved, but it's a great way to get people engaged and get the feeling that, that these lands are actually accessible and they can interact with them in a way that's both constructive and positive.
Hi, I'm Edward.
Hello, I'm Anthony.
I'm Nathan.
I'm Tiffany.
And we're here pulling invasive, what is it?
The blackberries,
Yeah,
the Himalaya blackberry.
Himalayan
But
blackberries.
I think it's really important to aid in restoring natural habitat that was disturbed by like industrial use or human land use. If we're not using the land for that reason anymore, then I don't see why you wouldn't want to restore it back to its natural beauty.
I think it's important because the land is already dying, so we need to pull out the things that are taking over, that are hurting the other species that are native to this area.
Yeah, I'm actually a wildland soils major, and I would like to in the future restore ecosystems. And I think it's good to be part of the effort that makes it with the labor and getting just hands-on with everything that needs to be done. Just always need a good helping hand around.
It doesn't take much to make a big difference when there's a lot of people, putting in their little piece. And that's why I guess I'm enjoying being here most of all.
I feel great. I'm just so happy that people feel so motivated and that they're going above and beyond what we expected to get done today. All the volunteers have been so capable and just so willing to do whatever we needed to get done, and then taking the initiative themselves to figure out other ways that they can positively contribute today. I feel really satisfied that we're able to get this done. I really am happy that we're able to get some public engagement for the park and, just get people out here in a way that makes them feel that they're contributing and, getting a sense of ownership over their public lands in a way.